Today we'll discuss the role of minoxidil in the baldness. Particularly, what is the role of minoxidil in the male pattern baldness or androgenetic alopecia? Minoxidil in the alopecia or baldness, particularly the male pattern. Now, baldness is very common in the age of 40s, late 40s or more than 40 years of age. Approximately 50% of the men will suffer from this male pattern baldness, which is hereditary in nature, or we can call it as androgenetic alopecia or male pattern baldness. Actually, this minoxidil, we all know that it is available in a topical formulations, Mintop, Regain, and various formulations which is available in the market. Actually, this minoxidil, it's an antihypertensive drug. It's an antihypertensive drug which is effective orally and which is a powerful arteriolar dilator. It's an antihypertensive drug which is used in the treatment of hypertension, particularly in the hypertensive emergencies, which is a powerful arteriolar dilator. It dilates the arterioles and it is effective orally, but it causes side effects like reflex tachycardia, palpitations, sodium and water retention, and because of this it is used along with the beta blocker and diuretics. Because of reflex tachycardia, palpitations, it is used along with the beta blockers and diuretic. Now, though it is an antihypertensive drug, but still it is used in the treatment of baldness or alopecia, because when it is used as an antihypertensive drug, there is a side effect that is called as hypertrichosis. Hypertrichosis means there is a hair growth on the ears, unnecessary hair growth on the ears. It's a side effect of this drug, minoxidil, antihypertensive drug, and it has been evaluated for its topical use in the baldness. Because of the side effect hypertrichosis, there is unusual growth of hairs on the ears or various different parts of the body, hypertrichosis, and because of the side effect it has been evaluated for the topical use in the male pattern type of the baldness or alopecia. Now, the mechanism for the hair growth is not yet clear. Mechanism for the hair growth is not yet clear, but it is said that it increases the circulation around the hair follicle. It will stimulate the resting hair follicles and reduces the effect of androgen. Stimulates the resting hair follicle, and it may increases the circulation around the hair follicle because it's a powerful arteriolar dilator. So it will going to stimulate the circulation around the hair follicles. So that these are the various possible mechanisms. Now the effects or actions, we can say. Actions of minoxidil: it thickens your hair shaft. It increases in number and density of the hairs. It increases the length of hairs also. These are the effects or actions. It thickens your hair shaft, increases in the number and density, increases the length of hair also. Onset is delayed, means it takes few months for its full effect. Response may be inadequate. Transient means sometimes baldness recurs when the drug discontinues or stops. Onset is delayed, it takes few months for its full effect, and sometimes response is inadequate or transient, means baldness may recur or reappears when the drug discontinues or stops. When it is applied topically, it may cause local itching, irritation, burning sensation, or allergic and contact dermatitis when it is applied topically. It may cause local itching, irritation, burning sensation, allergic and contact dermatitis when it is applied topically. Preparation is available like 2% or 5% solution or gel, like Mintop Fort 5% solution 120 ml, MX 2% topical solution or gel, Regain 5%. So it is available in 2 to 5% of the topical solutions. The one thing you have to take care of that hair growth may occur at undesired places. So proper hand wash after each application of the minoxidil. So this is the warning, I will say. Hair growth may occur at undesired places, so proper hand washing is advisable.